guys, welcome to another video, and we will be looking on Euraud. So this is a weekly time frame, and what next on Euraud, because we took a trade on Euraud, we banked some profit. So we want to look one next on for Euraud. So I'll be starting from monthly to just see everything clearly. So I can see there's a level there. There's a level there. The price is reacting to. There's a level there. So, and this will be a low. This will be our low. Let me just use this. I don't want everything to be big when I go to a lower time frame. So let's use this. Then let me clone it. This is the eye. So this is the eye. So this is the middle zone. This is a zone. This is a zone. So let's go to weekly. Let me change this. Let me change it to weekly time frame level, because it's still, you can still see the level on weekly time frame. It's a zone, so that's why price is reacting on the zone, trying to push price to the upside again. So we notice that price bounced from here, and price bounce second time. You can see all this rejection here. You can see price is a potential double bottom, like price needs to still move up to this area. This will be like a neckline. This will be our neckline. Area will be our neckline, and this area will be our take profit, really, because we are going to close some trade here. We are going to close some trade here. So we can see price bounce from here to highs and started moving up to the outside. So this is the next high. Price is trying to go. So let's move to daily time frame. So we can see let me delete this level. You already know that there's a level there, so you can just delete the level. You don't need it. So price bounce from it. We already know that price bounce from this area. You can just draw just a daily level here, just to know that something was there on higher time frame. So that's my daily support. So you can see price bounce from this support and started moving to the upside. So what I can see is that there's a trend line. To draw a trend line, you need two touches to draw a trend line. Touch one, touch two. So this is a good way to draw a trend line, really. So all you need to do is just to clone it, move it to this area. So you can see that the trend is upside. So price is making higher highs and higher lows to continue to the upside. So this area will be our target, this area, the neckline, because this, if this everything complete and price clear this neckline, that means this now confirmed like is a double bottom, you know. This is now confirmed. This is when you now confirm this chart pattern is a double bottom. That's when you now confirm it. Okay, this is a double bottom and this is a neckline, but we already know what price is doing, so we can call it a double bottom, you know. So we can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we are waiting for price to give us an higher low and higher high, like so, higher low, then higher high. So this is the move that we want to join. We want to join this move to the upside. So we just need to position ourselves for this opportunity. So as you can see, I can still show you some confluence around here. You can see this, there's a level here that price bounce from. Let me use you can see the price tested here like inverse head and shoulder, like this shoulder, head, and this another shoulder. So you can see how price came back to test this area before shooting to the upside. So after shooting to the upside, you can see another area here. You can see another area here. There's another area. Price coming back, and this is a very good confluence around here. Let me see if I want to check if okay. You can see 61.8. You can see confluence around here. There's a support there, trend line is there, then Fibonacci 61.8 is there. So this is the trade that we took to the upside. This is our trade, you know. In this trade, in this trade, you know, it took some profit. I took some profits really. I'm still holding this trade, so I'm going to enter second position around here to move this trade to the upside. You know, I took some profit and break even, so we're still looking at how this pullback is going to play out, so we can position ourselves to the upside. So the next move that we are looking at now is price should come here. Let me clone this. Price should come to this area. Price should come to this area to test this area before we can see buyers coming in. Let's go to 4 hours so we can see more things clearer. You can see more price action here. So this is 4 hour. You can see that everything is clear. You can see price bounce from here, start pushing up, then another one, price bounce from this area. You can see price bounce from this area. This is a zone. Okay, this is a zone. This is another area. You won't treat it as just a line. There are zones. So if price come to that area, it might not even come to the low that you are looking at. Area is a zone. All you need to do is just watch price, what price is doing, as you know, what's he reacting, what's he giving you. Maybe he's giving you a pattern before even coming to this here and change of trend around here. You take it, because these areas are zones, so price can react at any time in these areas. So this is a zone. These are zones. So I'm waiting for price to come to this to tap this trend line, and let me see my fib to confluence. I'm just trying to make all these trades to I'm trying to make it more quality, as in giving it more confluences. The more confluences you see, it will make the setup to be quality, not quantity. If you don't check all this, you won't know, you won't have confidence in your setup. So that's why I'm using some tools to confluence this setup, and everything is lining up pretty well. So so you can see 61.8 at this area. This is a good conference. 61.8. So price will bounce from here, because you can see the trend line traders will be looking at this area, and the support and resistance will be looking at this area. The people that trade supports like to wait for price to come to their key level before they execute. So we'll be looking at this area, and Fibonacci trader too will be looking at this area. So everything is lining up here. Everything, see, confluences around here. So this will make this setup to go to our direction and move very fast also. So this is how you analyze price action. I'm a price action trader, so I don't use indicator. I don't wait for any indicator to tell me it's time to buy. I react on what price is doing. So I'm a price action trader. I don't use indicator. Yeah, so you can see how everything is lining up. This is a good confluence on this trade. So I'm just making everything more quality, as in I'm giving the trade more confluences, so you can see how quality the setup is. So we'll be waiting for price to come to this area. Price will come to this area, so we can take this trade to the upside. So we can take this trade to the upside. We can take this trade to the upside. Price might still go to that area. Price might not move like this. So if price move like this, we'll be hitting the neckline. Like, price will be moving this way till it hit the neckline that we are seeing on weekly. Is it on weekly or daily neckline? So this is how I'll be waiting for this trade. So it's a good trade. It's a continuation trade. It's not a reversal, it's a continuation trade. So it's easier to trade continuation than reversal. So this is a good trade. This is a good trade. This is a plus trade. This is what I call a plus trade. So we'll be waiting for all these. So this is how I'll be trading Euro AUD next week. So thanks for watching my analysis, and